Picture this. You've got great ideas for YouTube videos, but between work, life, and everything else, finding the time to actually create them feels impossible. You stare at your camera, your editing software, and that blinking cursor in your script, and think, there must be an easier way. Well, there is. In today's video, I'm sharing the ultimate secret to making YouTube videos with minimal effort, without sacrificing quality. Let's dive in. Hey there, creators! Whether you're new to YouTube or have been making videos for a while, the goal is the same. Create amazing content without spending all your time and energy doing it. Today, I'll be walking you through 7 proven strategies to simplify your YouTube production process. Stick around to the end for a bonus tip that could completely change the way you approach content creation. The first way to save time is by using simple formats that don't require complex setups or hours of editing. One of the easiest methods is voiceover with stock footage. Instead of filming yourself, just record your voice and layer it over royalty-free videos or images. Sites like Pixabay, Pexels, and Videvo are great places to find high-quality visuals for free. Another option is screen recordings, perfect for tutorials or tech reviews. Use software like OBS Studio or Camtasia to record your screen while narrating the process. Automation is your friend when it comes to content creation. Tools like Pictory, InVideo, and Lumen 5 allow you to take a script or blog post and turn it into a complete video with visuals and animations, all automatically. And if you're not a fan of recording your own voice, text-to-speech software like 11 Labs or OpenAI Text-to-Speech can generate professional voiceovers for you with just a few clicks. Next, let's talk about batching. Batching your production allows you to create multiple videos in one go. For example, you could spend one day writing scripts for a week's worth of content, the next day recording all your voiceovers, and the third day editing everything. This method not only saves time, but also helps you stay consistent with your uploads. Let's not forget outsourcing. If you have a bit of a budget, hiring freelancers can significantly cut down on your workload. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork offer affordable help for video editing, voiceovers, script writing, and more. Plus, you can make use of pre-made templates from Canva or Adobe Spark for quick, professional-looking videos. Editing can be a time sink if you're not careful, but it doesn't have to be. Stick to simple editing software like iMovie, Filmora, or HitFilm Express, where you can use pre-made transitions and effects. The key is to keep it clean and straightforward. No need for fancy effects unless your content demands it. One of the smartest strategies is creating evergreen content, videos that stay relevant no matter when someone watches them. Think tutorials, how-to guides, top 5 lists, or educational videos. This type of content continues to bring in views long after it's been published, with no need for constant updates. YouTube Shorts is another fantastic way to create content quickly with minimal effort. These bite-sized videos are great for sharing quick tips, highlights, or snippets of your longer content. Plus, they're a powerful way to increase engagement and visibility with less time investment. And here's that bonus tip I promised. Repurpose your content. If you've already written a blog post or created a podcast episode, turn it into a video. By repurposing content you've already created, you're saving time while still producing valuable content for your viewers. That's it for today's video. With these tips, you can produce high-quality content with minimal effort, allowing you to stay consistent without burning out. If you found this helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips to simplify your content creation journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.